Yes sir, Rise and Grind, man. I'm back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. Today we got a 2014 Ford Escape. Gonna be doing the front brake pads and rotors. Okay, scrubbing metal to metal. You can see on the front side. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
That fluid level. It's gonna rise when we get this job done though. We got these caps right here. Take them out, and we use a H8 to get these bolts out, or a T45. Get those back. Take this clip off. Use a pry bar. That off. Some notepad. Overweight. Alright, as soon as we get those pads off, we gotta get the brake caliper bracket off. These two bolts. Those are 18 mil. And we can tap this rotor off. And they got two different sizes. They got a smaller one than this one. This rotor is like 320 millimeter. I can't remember, but don't get the small one if you got the large. You'll be able to see when you put it on, it won't cover this whole brake dust shield. Now you make sure you spray it down, brake cleaner. Get that film off. Both sides. Once you clean it off, got these little points right here, these contact points. You want to lube those, top and bottom. All right, get our pads. And put that brake grease on it. Just like that. Got our little caps back on. Same thing for the other side. That's the passenger side. Check this brake fluid level. Yep, we up. But we're not all the way because the rear pads are recommended. And I'm gone, man. Until next time, Pull-Up King.